The breakup. Almost came in each other's. To travel.
Yeah, that's where 51st and 50. He's on 40. No, he's still on 47th Street, but it's a much smaller street.
It's equally. Yes. Kevin Bennett Beats.
Look up to me, don't stop thinking good for me. Subversive thoughts on my mind like I can't stop my enemies. Every girl that's on the team and stop to yearn and learn from me. How the fuck it get so it look like it fucking rained, bitch? Ha! Hold up, excuse my language, it's my turn. Try to speak against my terms and you get fucked up on my word. Who the fuck is Peanut? I never heard of this fucking nerd. All let's say is fuck you to Stephanie and Terrence too. How the fuck you gonna stop me? I'm an army, got you screaming mommy. Your pussies think you're cocky, you're sloppy. Y'all rap against me, y'all gonna hate me. Fuck y'all, don't fuck me, this ain't a stupid movie. But if it was, let me tell you something. You just be another extra doing nothing. I'm the main star, I just wanna shine. But none of y'all seem to let it. I'm so amazing, my name is the only one in the credits. Subversive, why you so weird? I don't know, but I'm homemade like there's zero no. When I do me, you do you. My slogan, bitch, get the oven mitt for the bars to spit in my apartment. So depressed, so I'm smoking weed. Happiness, and that's all I need. Oh no, lost my head, but I YOLO. Don't need no one, I just work alone. When you try to help, you just use your phone. You just mad cause you stupid losers really can't compete with my smartest gene. I'm the only one to teach myself how to make the music while you stand and freeze. I'ma rock the flow, you just sound like Bill Cosby. No one seems to understand a word when you're rapping. So do us a favor and just shut up. I would do it myself, but then I'll never see the come up. And I want one. What am I doing? As stupid as it feels, I'm better off sleeping, telling Jesus take the wheel. And every other hater getting loud just like McNeil. They never understand that I'ma kill them all for real. Y'all just gonna run around and you talking shit when I post a pic and you're hating it. When I'm spitting in and I'm killing it, then I kick it back and I'm feeling it and I'm rolling in like a talking truck. Bitches care when I give a fuck. She make the face when I give a tongue, but she still want cash for the stupid sluts. I never cared for a stupid bitch.
Stupid bitch.
So none of y'all talk about that shit. If you really wanna get caught in the mix, you, your mom, your granny, and your cousin can't go die real quick. Mom, how many times do I have to tell you? Daddy ain't care about trying to help you. He'd rather be out the country trying to fuck or get head to. He never cared about you or me like he used to. Otherwise, he wouldn't fuck with them other guys. Other guys would mean stupid bitches. The only kind that will fuck him up and will treat him like he got all the bitches. Well, welcome to this real life. Turns out that he really ain't shit. Haven't seen him in a few years, but it's just another problem I deal with, so